If your Bosch Dishwasher E22 error code has appeared on the display, it means the filter is blocked. This is a common issue caused by food particles and debris accumulating over time. The good news is that you can fix it yourself quickly, and with regular maintenance, you can prevent it from happening again. What does the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error mean? The Bosch Dishwasher E22 error code indicates that the filter is clogged. The filter is a crucial component that traps food debris and prevents it from entering the drain system. If it gets blocked, water cannot drain properly, leading to poor cleaning performance, unpleasant odors, and potential damage to the drain pump. In severe cases, a clogged filter can even cause your dishwasher to stop working. How to fix the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error. To resolve the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error, you need to clean the filter and check for any drainage blockages. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off the dishwasher. First, switch off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power source. This ensures safety while you clean and inspect the machine. 2. Remove the lower rack. Pull out the lower rack to access the filter. The filter is located at the bottom of the dishwasher, usually in the center. 3. Take out and clean the filter. Twist and remove the filter from its compartment. Check for food debris, grease, or limescale buildup. Rinse the filter under warm running water. Use a soft brush or sponge to remove stubborn dirt. If the filter is heavily clogged, soak it in warm water with mild detergent for 15 minutes before rinsing. Check the drain area. After removing the filter, inspect the filter compartment. Leftover food particles or grease might be stuck inside. If standing water is present, it could indicate a blockage in the drain system. Make sure to remove any visible debris. 5. Clean the spray arm. Sometimes, poor water circulation due to a clogged spray arm can contribute to drainage issues. Remove the spray arm and rinse it under warm water. Use a toothpick or small brush to clear any clogged holes. 6. Reinstall the filter and run a test cycle. Once the filter and spray arm are clean, place the filter back into its position. Insert the lower rack, plug in the dishwasher, and run a short cycle without dishes to confirm that the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error is resolved. How to prevent the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error in the future? To avoid encountering the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error again, follow these simple maintenance tips. Clean the filter regularly, at least once a week. Rinse the filter to prevent buildup. Scrape off food debris before loading. Avoid putting heavily soiled dishes in the dishwasher. Check the drain system every few months. Ensure that the drain hose and sink drain are free from blockages. Use a dishwasher cleaner monthly. This helps dissolve grease, limescale, and detergent residue. Inspect the spray arms. Keep the spray arm holes free from clogs to ensure even water distribution. The Bosch Dishwasher E22 error is a common problem caused by a blocked filter, but it is easy to fix. By regularly cleaning the filter, checking the drainage system, and maintaining your dishwasher, you can prevent this issue and keep your appliance running efficiently. If the problem persists after cleaning, there may be a deeper drainage issue, and you might need professional assistance. However, in most cases, regular maintenance will help you avoid the Bosch Dishwasher E22 error in the future. If this guide was helpful, subscribe to the channel for more appliance troubleshooting tips.